Hello, everyone. I'm Adam Diaz, a senior sales engineer here at Privacera, a leader in unified data access and Gen AI security governance. Today, we're going to explore connectors, how Privacera connects to your data. We will delve into the configuration of Privacera, a cutting edge data security and governance solution that's revolutionizing how organizations secure their data assets and manage Gen AI security governance. Privacera connectors are pivotal in enabling organizations to maintain robust data governance and security frameworks, ensuring that data remains secure, compliant, and efficiently managed across diverse data environments. As you can see here at privacera.com/products/connectors, we have a list of the connectors available in Privacera. There are around 5 different categories of connectors, and we'll just talk through a little bit about each one. In general, there are database connectors, both regular SQL databases and NoSQL connectors. So, Oracle, MySQL, standard databases you might expect. NoSQL databases like Cassandra and MongoDB. And then in the second category, there's sort of big data connectors, where the usual suspects like Spark and Hive would be cloud connectors for connecting to the different cloud specific object storage, like Amazon S3, for example. Then we talk a little bit about data lake connectors. More specifically, in this section, we talk to AWS Lake Formation, of which we'll have a whole separate video on. So please look for that separately for a deep dive on the Lake Formation. And then the final one would be messaging and streaming connectors for tools like Kafka that allow us to lay governance over streaming applications.